Hello viewers, welcome to the episode 3.2 Quadratic Equation chapter number 5. We are solving sums from ICSE Foundation Mathematics class 10 by R.S. AGGARWAL, publication Coer Brothers. We are with chapter number 5. We have already seen the introduction of quadratic equation in episode 3.1. Here I have mentioned the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to real number and a must not be equal to 0, otherwise it will become linear equation. Anyway, we'll start solving the sums from chapter number 5, but before that we'll go for example. Example number 1, find the solution set for 3x square plus 10x minus 25. If you have seen my episode 3.1, then in that one I have already talked to you about different methods of factorizing. In that one, here we are using the multiplication of coefficient with the constant term. Here we get 3 multiplied by 25 is 75, and we require to split 75 in such a way that it gives us the middle term plus 10x. So here plus 15 minus 5, it gives us plus 10. So here we are going to use it. So here implies 3x square plus 15x minus 5x minus 25 is equal to 0. So from here we are going to take common, so implies here 3x is common, so x plus 5 minus 5 is common, so here x plus 5, okay, let me write properly, 5 is equal to 0. Implies here x plus 5 is common, and here 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here we are going to apply, okay, let me do this one somewhere else so that, okay, I'm doing here. So here it was 75, we split, so here plus 15, here it was minus 5, that is going to make plus 10. Okay, here we are going to apply a rule known as zero product rule. When I apply zero product rule, that means the quadratic equation which is equal to 0, the factorization having a product, the product of these two terms will be equal to 0. That is been given as the quadratic equation. So here it becomes x plus 5 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So that means this 0 is related to both of the factors that is obtained through the factorization of this quadratic equation. So that is the main important thing. We can find out the solution set related to this one. So x is equal to minus 5, or x equal to minus 5 goes this, it becomes plus, 3 goes down, it becomes plus. So answer, solution set is equal to, or you can write directly like this in a curly bracket, minus 5 comma 5 upon 3. Okay, let me do that. So this is the answer. This is how we write the solution set. Let us do one more example and then we'll start solving the sum. Okay, sum number 2. In this one it says solve x upon x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 upon 3x minus 7. We require to find the solution set. So let us go for finding the solution set. So here you are going to go for cross multiplication. So this one goes here and this one goes here. X plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 upon 3x minus 7. Now the sum begins from here. So implies x plus 2 bracket 3x minus 7. This is known as cross multiplication. Here 2x minus 3, and here it comes x plus 3. Now expansion, here expansion of this bracket with this bracket. So x, here we say implies x bracket 3x minus 7 plus 2 bracket 3x minus 7. In the same manner 2x bracket x plus 3 minus 3 bracket x plus 3. So now open this bracket. So if you open this bracket, it becomes 3x square minus 7x plus 6x minus 14 is equal to 2x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 9. Now simplify this one. So here 3x square minus 7 minus 6 minus x minus 14 is equal to here 2x square, this one plus 6x minus 3x, so come plus 3x minus 9. Now in this one, if you see, 3x is larger than 2x square, so we'll bring whole of this quadratic equation this side. So it becomes 3x square minus 2x square minus x minus 3x minus 14 plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x square goes this side, becomes minus, plus 3x goes this side, becomes minus, minus 9 goes this side, becomes plus. Now again simplify. So here it becomes x square, here it becomes minus 4x, and here it becomes minus 5 is equal to 0. Then go for the factorization. So implies here x square 5, we require to split 5, there is coefficient 1, so 1 5 is a 5, that is minus 5. So minus 5 we require minus 5x plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So here you get implies common from this 2, common from this 2. Here x bracket x minus 5 plus 1 bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. So here implies, here we are going to write 0 product rule afterwards. So here x plus 1 and here equal to 0. Here you write 0 product rule. So when you write 0 product rule, so you will be getting implies x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So what you get here? You are getting here x equal to 5 and, or you can say or, here or, sorry, here x equal to 5 or x plus 1 goes plus this plus 1 goes this side, so become minus 1, so is equal to minus 1. So here solution set, answer you need to write down here, this is implies, and here answer solution set curly bracket, I can't make curly bracket properly, curly bracket minus 1 comma 5 curly bracket close. So this is our answer. So this is done in this manner. I hope you understood. It's pretty simple. You require the knowledge of having factorization, expansion, taking 0 product rule. Some basic things are there. If plus goes this side becomes minus, if minus goes this side becomes plus. Such type of basic knowledge is required. So I hope you understood these 2 examples. We'll start with exercise in the next episode. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment box.